Meaning of fellow traveler.
Fellow traveler.
Fellow traveler.
Fellow traveler.
Fellow traveler. Fellow traveler generally refers to a person who sympathizes with or supports the beliefs and actions of a group or individual but is not an actual member. This term was commonly used during the communist era to describe individuals who were sympathetic to communist ideologies but not necessarily Communist Party members. Today, it can be applied more broadly to describe anyone who shares views or supports a cause without being an official member. The term carries a somewhat negative connotation, suggesting that such individuals lack commitment or are not fully dedicated to the cause they support.